I spent $5,000 on slime glue. No clickbait. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a brand new video. It is currently Slime Bash day one. I'm literally at the Mohegan Sun right now by the convention. I just walked out to film this video intro. If you guys are new here, subscribe down below. If you guys did come to Slime Bash, then comment down below and let me know. But yeah guys, without further ado, let's just hop into this video because it's gonna be iconic. I'm exhausted, but like I have coffee on deck. I can finally be in the intro now because I was walking the whole time up this little runway here to go into the convention center. My favorite event. We love Slime Bash. Look at me, you can gotta see me. Look at all these balloons. Would you just look? Who is this? Alright y'all, it is Slime Bash day 2. We just started, they just opened the doors for VIP. We're just like hanging out, trying to get that caffeine flowing. We a little sleepy. But yeah, just getting started. If you guys do want to buy any of these slimes, we do have them in my shop right now. They are all on sale for like $10. They're a really good deal. I'll have that all linked down below for you guys, but it's little insider information. Okay, I am on my way to go buy slime from Amy. I'm literally so late to doing this because it's been like hours later, but I really wanted to buy this one. This one! I want to buy that one so bad. I'm on my way to do my Q&A right now. Look at how, I haven't walked around yet, but I'm thinking after my Q&A, I'm gonna walk around and film a little like slime supply shopping video, I'm thinking. To do our Q&A. Hello! This girl is so sweet. She's literally crying. Like, I'm gonna cry. Look at that inflation. And she's like, go snatch, legs below. Aw, I'm glad you love it. You're welcome.
Oh. We love Nicole Jacqueline. Nicole Jacqueline's the best slime ever.
Yes, queen only, queens only.
Hi, I love Slime by Nicole Jacqueline.
But look at that girl rocking the merch. Yes.
You should watch my channel on YouTube, Gracie Florida Adventures.
Do it. Go check her out. Subscribe to my girl.
Hey!
We in the vlog. Cool.
This is the coolest thing ever. You should definitely come next time.
Yes, you guys, come to Slime Bash whenever there's the next one. come to Slime Bash Miami. That's end of February. It's on the screen right here. Yeah. Editing. These cool girl shoes. You have these rainbow Crocs. Look at these Nikes though. These neon, these yellow. Okay, Twinkie bread is quaking. Hey Tanaya, we are at Slime Bash. She watches the video, so I was like, you want to be in the video? Look at this. I just signed her Daiso clay box. That's so cute. What's your name?
Madison.
Madison. Ooh, Madison at the Maddie Ray Slime Show. Woo! Nice to meet you. Have a good day.
Follow me on Instagram because I like self-promo.
Slimy_Skyline at Satisfied Goldie.
We also brought her Chick-fil-A, so.
Yeah, they did. Chicky-fil-A. You guys, look, she was here last year. Yeah. Yes, and then 2019 rolls around. Yes, Queens. Oh, hey guys, so I'm here with Carly. She is at Tropical Slimes NJ. She's so sweet. She's so nice. Her mom is so nice. Hey mom. She went to U of M, so Michigan, go blue. You guys should go follow her because she's an angel. It's right here on the screen, Tropical Slimes NJ. Go give her some love. Ashley and Audrey, nice to meet you guys.
Hi.
Look you guys, so she was like, can you name this slime? I'm gonna open it up for me real quick. We named it Jacqueline's Fluffy Butter because it looks like a really nice, like fluffy, buttery slime. We love it.
Subscribe to Marie Squad, M-A-R-I-E Squad.
Go subscribe to her on YouTube.
Follow me on TikTok at awesome.io. Trying to get us to 100 before Halloween.
Oh, guys, go subscribe to her. Can we do 100 before Halloween? Oh, where are you at right now?
85.
You're at 85. That's only 15 people.
Yeah.
15 people can easily go there. Go check her out, you guys. Everybody, go check all of them out. All y'all. Oh, we didn't get you yet. What's you?
Follow me on TikTok, it's your girl _
What about you, girl?
Follow me on TikTok, Ken_Queen18.
You guys know all the slimes in my slime shop right now are only $8 a slime, which is an amazing deal because we had made a ton of slime for Slime Bash, as you guys know. And if you guys watched my past 2 videos, you guys know that I was talking about posting a restock of whatever slime we did not sell. That's why I intentionally made so much, that way you guys on YouTube, all you YouTube viewers, could get your hands on some awesome slime. All the slimes are $8 and they are shipping ASAP. We are literally shipping them out as soon as possible, so come down below and hit that link and come buy some slime. They're all down below and they are going fast. You guys are literally incredible and I don't even have words anymore to say how awesome you guys are. So yeah, I'll have that link down below for you guys, and if you want more updates on my slime shop, follow my slime Instagram at Slime by Nicole Jacqueline. If you want to see more updates on my slime shop, on my YouTube channel, on whatever the heck else. But yeah guys, the Slime Bash vlog is coming soon. Tons of really fun videos coming very soon. They're being edited right now. And yeah guys, I will see you guys with a new video really soon. And yeah, alright guys, bye!